What's up everyone? I just crashed my DJI Avata for the first time and broke it.
And today we wanted to see if the DJI insurance policy is worth the money. Coming up in this video, we're going to be testing if what the DJI insurance policy says on paper lines up with what they say in real life. So how much did you pay for the insurance when you first got it?
So the initial service fee is $80, which covers 3 repairs on your drone. And that also includes 1 flyaway, so if your drone malfunctions and it just flies away and it's gone, or it crashes into the water.
And is that for anything on the drone that you break?
For everything on the drone, if you break it.
So do you have to pay for shipping, or do they pay for that?
So the nice thing about this is they actually pay for shipping. So they give you a shipping label from UPS, and all you have to do is provide the box for it. And after that, you just ship it in. There's no fee. If you don't want to pay for the service, they'll just ship it back to you. So that's pretty nice that there's no upfront cost.
So I mean, let's just go through and let's fill out this form, and we'll get back to you guys when they contact us about when to ship it in. So what happens after you fill out the application?
So after you fill out the application, they're going to provide you with the shipping information. So I have it right here. They gave me the shipping code. They also emailed it to me to print out the shipping label.
All right, so now we have the tracking number and we have the label, so you just send it in?
Yeah, so you're gonna go ahead, and their recommendation is to wrap your drone in like bubble wrap to protect it from any further damage. You're gonna go ahead and send in the piece that broke off in my case. So with my drone, it's a cosmetic issue. There's nothing wrong with the flight controller or anything, but I do wanna get this fixed because it's unable to take off because it sits on level.
All right guys, so we're gonna pack this drone up, send it out, and we will make sure to keep you updated so you guys can decide if you should buy the DJI insurance for your products. All right everyone, so after a while we just got the DJI Avata back from DJI, and we have some very important information to share with you guys about how we got a actually brand new drone
In box.
for just how much?
$30.
For $30. So guys, we're gonna be showing you guys exactly what happened and how we got that coming up.
Once they give you the label, then you just drop it off at your local UPS facility, and then it takes about 3 days to get to DJI.
So which DJI center did they ship yours to?
Mine got shipped to Texas.
Because DJI is a Chinese company, right? But they have the American stores to make it a little faster for the American customers.
Okay, so my drone got to DJI. They got it in. It took about 24 hours for them to start repairing it, and that was pretty nice. It was pretty quick. They take it apart, and there's no fee for this, which is really nice. Like if you just send it in and you want it fixed, but you're not sure how much it'll cost, they can look at that for you, and then that's no fee for them to ship it back to you.
A couple important key things is we flew the DJI Avata in the rain a few times for a couple of our videos, and they thought that our DJI had literally been underwater. Yeah. That's how bad the water damage was. So it is not waterproof. It probably says that on the website somewhere, but we had a schedule to upload and we were just punching them out. So we thought, why not?
So I initially sent the drone in for a cosmetic issue. I just broke the frame, which made it hard to take off, and it was just pretty inconvenient for me, and it ended up being a problem. So another part I damaged was the core board module, which
sounds like a pretty important part for the drone.
It is a very important part. It's what allows the drone to fly and stay stable in the air.
Yeah, so he ended up chatting with DJI for a while, and they ended up coming to the decision that he could either get the drone fixed and they'd send it to him for $198, or he could get a brand new DJI Avata for $30. So
using the insurance.
Using the insurance, obviously, we took the brand new DJI. And with the DJI Avata being $350, it's definitely worth it to have that $80 insurance, because if you break it, like we said, it would have cost $198 if we had not gotten that insurance.
If you add that up with the $30 we spent on the new drone, it is still way cheaper than buying a $370 some odd DJI Avata, which is really nice.
But how was customer service when they were chatting?
It was really good. They were really friendly. They were helpful. They responded to me really quickly. I got a link to like text on their website, so that was really nice.
All right guys, so the craziest thing was that it ended up being 9 total days from when we shipped out the drone to DJI in Texas.
Yeah.
Then they sent us the new drone after chatting from Canada, you said, right?
Yeah, so it came from Canada, which, I mean, it's nice. They're trying to get the drones to you as fast as possible, so they just picked the warehouse that's closest, which is cool.
Yeah, and like you said, they gave us priority shipping. So what's your overall thought on the DJI policy from price compared to what you would have paid without the insurance, and then like the customer service, and all around score out of 10, what would you give the DJI insurance policy?
So it's a 10 out of 10 insurance policy. Like, there's no regrets with buying it in the beginning. Like, it was only $80, and I was like, why not? It can't hurt to buy this. And then it came in useful. The people there are super nice. They're willing to help you with any questions you have on like what happened, why it happened. Yeah, and it's overall just super affordable. They
love drones maybe a little more than even we do, so they know what we've gone through and you know how it sucks having the drone not with us, so they definitely put in some work and got us the drone back as soon as possible.
Which was really cool on their part.
Yeah, like we said, 10 out of 10. We definitely recommend getting the insurance, and they have it over a wide variety of products, all their products, correct?
Yeah, every single product, like even our microphones we're using, they have the insurance on them right now.
Yeah.
Some of the shots we've done with on the custom FPV drone build,
the Osmos
Action 5 Pro, I have the insurance on that, which definitely makes it worth it.
Yeah, guys, we'll have a link for the insurance policy and the DJI Avata in the description if you guys want to check it out. This video was not sponsored by DJI, but we'd love to work with them in the future, and we'll see you guys in the next video.